Most people over 60 begin the morning with a glass of plain water. It feels healthy, even automatic. But here's what most don't realize. After 60, plain water by itself often isn't enough to keep your muscles strong. You may drink several glasses a day, yet still feel weak, stiff, or bothered by sudden cramps at night. Think of water like fuel poured into a tank with tiny leaks. Aging muscle cells lose their sponge-like ability to hold water, and the minerals that keep hydration inside the body decline with time. The result? Hidden dehydration, draining your energy, balance, and confidence without noticing. Take Robert, a 68-year-old retired teacher I met. He carried his water bottle everywhere, but still struggled with leg cramps that woke him at night. Once he added simple natural minerals and flavors to his water, his muscles started to recover more smoothly. Within weeks, he noticed fewer cramps and steadier energy. That's the power of smart hydration. I'm Evelyn Brooks, and today I'll show you 4 simple, science-backed ways to turn ordinary water into a muscle-building drink you can rely on daily. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest, and in this case, they might already be sitting in your kitchen. A slice of lemon and a pinch of mineral salt can completely change how your body absorbs water. Here's why this matters. After 60, your body doesn't hold on to water as well as it once did. Muscle tissue, about 70–75% water, gradually loses its ability to stay hydrated. You may drink a full glass, but much of that water passes straight through without the proper support. The result? Quiet dehydration that weakens muscles, stiffens joints, and leaves you prone to cramps. Adding fresh lemon helps solve part of this puzzle. The citric acid gently lowers the pH of water, making it easier for your small intestine to absorb. In plain terms, it unlocks more doors for hydration to enter your bloodstream. On top of that, lemon brings vitamin C, which supports collagen, the protein that keeps your muscles, tendons, and connective tissues flexible instead of rigid. Mineral salt, such as Himalayan pink or Celtic sea salt, adds the other missing piece: electrolytes. Unlike regular table salt, these salts contain trace amounts of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals act like keys that keep water inside your muscle cells, rather than letting it slip away. They also calm overactive nerves, which is why they reduce those sudden nighttime cramps many people struggle with. The recipe couldn't be more straightforward. Half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, a thin slice, and a small pinch of mineral salt in a glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning, when your body is naturally dehydrated from sleep. This tiny upgrade does more than hydrate. It supports blood pressure, aids digestion, and helps muscles recover from simple daily movements like climbing stairs or gardening. Over time, many notice fewer cramps, steadier energy, and more confidence in their balance. It's proof that the most minor changes sometimes deliver the most significant impact. Most people think electrolyte drinks are only for marathon runners or professional athletes. But after 60, your body may need them even more than a 25-year-old on the racetrack. Here's why. As we age, our kidneys lose efficiency and flush water and minerals more quickly. At the same time, the body's natural thirst signal weakens. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already behind on hydration. That's when muscles feel heavy, flat, and easily fatigued. Electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, are the tiny minerals that control how water moves in and out of your cells. Think of them as the locks and keys of hydration. Without them, water flows straight through, never reaching the muscles where it's needed most. With them, hydration gets pulled deep inside muscle cells, keeping them plump, elastic, and ready for movement. Science backs this up. A study in the Journal of Nutrients found that older adults who drank electrolyte-balanced water improved their muscle hydration by nearly 30% in just 5 days. Plain water alone barely changed anything. Participants also noticed fewer cramps, steadier balance, and less soreness after simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs. The good news is, you don't need sugary sports drinks. A high-quality electrolyte powder, sugar-free, caffeine-free, and free of artificial colors, is ideal. Look for blends that balance sodium, potassium, and magnesium, sometimes with added vitamin C or zinc for joint and immune support. Start with just half a teaspoon mixed into 16 ounces of water. Sip it slowly in the morning or after light exercise like stretching or a brisk walk. Steady sipping allows your body to absorb it better than gulping. The result? Stronger steps, fewer dizzy spells when standing, less twitching at night, and muscles that feel awake instead of sluggish. For anyone over 60, this simple upgrade can make every glass of water work harder for your strength and independence. You've probably heard the saying, drink coconut water. It hydrates better than plain water. It sounds like a tropical cliché, but science proves its truth. Coconut water is naturally rich in electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, and sodium, the minerals your muscles need to hold onto water and recover after daily activity. In fact, coconut water contains nearly twice the potassium of a banana. Potassium is critical for steady blood pressure, smoother nerve function, and fewer painful cramps. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, better sleep, and an even steadier mood. And unlike many store-bought sports drinks, coconut water offers this mineral balance without loading your system with sugar or artificial additives. The challenge, of course, is practicality. Fresh coconuts spoil quickly, are not always easy to find, and are hardly convenient to carry around. That's where freeze-dried coconut water powder becomes a game changer. It's simply coconut water with the moisture removed, leaving behind all the minerals in a lightweight, shelf-stable form. Add a teaspoon to a glass of cool water, and you instantly recreate the benefits of fresh coconut water, without the hassle. One of the best parts is the taste. If you dislike the salty flavor of mineral water or standard electrolyte powders, coconut water offers a naturally mild sweetness that's easy to sip throughout the day. It hydrates gently, keeps muscles supple, and doesn't interfere with blood sugar or blood pressure. For older adults with slower nutrient absorption, the natural glucose in coconut water even helps shuttle electrolytes and amino acids into muscle cells more effectively. Want to take it a step further? Add a squeeze of lemon or a thin slice of ginger. Lemon boosts vitamin C for connective tissue, while ginger aids digestion and adds refreshing warmth. Think of it as nature's IV drip, simple, balanced, and refreshing. With each sip, you're giving your muscles exactly what they need to move more freely and fully recover. When people hear creatine, they often picture young bodybuilders chugging shakes at the gym. But here's the surprising truth. Low-dose creatine is one of the safest and most effective tools for protecting muscle strength after 60. And it works in a way many don't expect, by helping muscles hold on to water at the cellular level. Creatine is not a hormone or a steroid. It's a natural compound your body makes in small amounts and stores in muscle cells as quick energy. Your muscles tap into these tiny reserves when you stand up, climb stairs, or carry groceries. The problem is, after 60, creatine stores gradually decline, leaving muscles weaker, recovery slower, and joints stiffer after even simple tasks. Here's where a slight daily boost makes a huge difference. Research shows that just 1 to 2 grams of pure creatine monohydrate per day, not the large doses athletes use, can significantly improve lower body strength, balance, and walking speed in older adults within a few months. That's less than half a teaspoon. The magic lies in how creatine interacts with water. When it enters muscle cells, it gently pulls water inside, keeping fibers full and elastic and better able to repair themselves. This isn't bloating. It's hydration at the deepest level, exactly where your body needs it. Proper hydration at this scale also supports nerve signals, improving coordination and reducing fall risk. There's a bonus too. Creatine supports brain function by helping nerve cells store energy, reducing mental fatigue and sharpening focus. Many older adults notice clearer thinking and steadier energy once they add it to their daily routine. The method is simple. Dissolve 1 to 2 grams in warm water daily, ideally in the evening. Nighttime works best because your body repairs itself while you sleep. Paired with good hydration, creatine becomes a powerful yet gentle ally for both body and mind. It's proof that sometimes the tools once thought to be just for athletes are even more valuable for healthy aging. What if 1 glass of water each morning could change how you move, sleep, and feel? The truth is, it can, if you give your body the proper support. We've seen 4 simple add-ins make all the difference. Lemon with mineral salt to lock hydration inside muscles, electrolyte powder to restore balance, coconut water powder for a natural boost, and low-dose creatine to strengthen muscles and even sharpen the mind. None of these requires expensive supplements or complicated routines. They're small daily habits, backed by science, that quietly add up over time. Each sip becomes an investment, helping you walk with steadier steps, climb stairs with less effort, and wake up with fewer cramps or aches. So tomorrow morning, don't just reach for plain water. Please upgrade it. Your body has carried you this far. It deserves the tools to keep moving strong. If this video gave you ideas, share your hydration tips in the comments and pass this along to someone you care about.